Welcome back to Usawa Tutorials videos. Today, I will be showing you how to create your invoices and bills for your project in Usawa. Please kindly follow these steps. Go to Process, then Projects. The first step is to create your project in Usawa. Please kindly watch my previous video on how to create projects in Usawa. To create your invoices and bills for your project, click on the project. Then click Create New Invoice. Now, Usawa will populate the name of the customer. Select the invoice date. Select the due date. Select the discount type. We have a customer-wise discount. We have item-wise discount. Customer and item-wise discount. Manual. You can select the tracking option. The name of the project is Lagos Abuja Express Road. Please confirm. Select the currency. USD or Naira. Select the VAT type. We have VAT exclusive, VAT inclusive. Enter the description. Enter the account type, revenue. Enter the unit price. $100 million. Quantity is 1. You can enter your discounts, for example, 5%. Or enter your discount in Naira by clicking this drop down. You can also include details of your bank. You have Access Bank, USD, we have Access Bank. You can attach your file. Then confirm your tax summary and click Save as approved. To create your bill, go back to your project. Then click Create Bill. Enter the supplier name, let's say Shola and Co. Select the bill date. You can select the tracking option. Confirm the project. You can indicate that these project expenses will be reimbursed from the client by clicking this box. Select the currency. Select if it is VAT exclusive or inclusive. Enter the description. Payment for cement. Enter the account type. Enter the unit price. Quantity. You can attach a file, then click Save as approved.